To specify the settings for your instrument, easiest way to do that is to go to the Start menu, Settings, Instrument Selection, and make sure you have the Total Station button turned on. Next thing to do would be to go to your model and communication, select the make and model of instrument you're going to be connecting to. In the Field Genius manual, we have a list of different instruments that we will have suggested models to select from, so you can use that as a reference. And the next thing to do here would be to specify the comm settings that you're going to be using to connect to your total station. We suggest you check what settings are currently set on your instrument, because this is usually an area that new users will have problems with. So just take the extra time, find out what settings are set on your instrument, and then you can match Field Genius to those settings. The second thing we should look at are the EDM settings. Really the most important thing to make note of in here is refer to the manual and just learn about how Field Genius handles prism offsets. You can set different prism offsets for your foresight prisms, your backsight prisms, and if you're using any of the reflectorless modes. For my example here, I'm just going to leave them all set to 0. Tolerance settings. Now these are tolerances that will be used if you're using commands such as a multiset. So these are the tolerances that Field Genius will use to determine if a warning should be displayed to the user. Now search settings. I'm not connected to a robotic instrument here, so everything is grayed out, but depending on the robotic instrument you're using, you'll see different search modes available here at the top. And in radio configuration, again, we're not connected to a robot, so all of these options here are grayed out. And the last thing is the check level. If your instrument supports it, we will show you the level bubble for your instrument, and we'll also show you your inclinations for the horizontal and vertical collimation values from your instrument. Basically, we're ready to connect to the instrument. If I switch back to model and communication, here I'm already connected. But if I would press that, it would connect to the instrument. Here you're going to see it's already saying it's connected. The other thing you can do, if we go back to the main screen, if I click, this is called our Instrument Settings button. Down here at the bottom you can disconnect from the total station, which I've just done. And then I can also reconnect by pressing this button. You can see here it's connecting. And my instrument's currently just powered itself off here, so let me turn it back on. Alright, now I'll try that one more time. And there we go. Now we're going to have a successful connection.